Hello everyone. In my last video, I talked about how to install Jupyter Notebook on Gentoo Linux. So what I used, the command I used is called a sudo remote -a Jupyter. Later, I found actually this is not the minimal installation of Jupyter Notebook. So the minimal one should be sudo remote -a notebook instead. Why I say so, I'm going to show you. And then you just do. As you can see, there are also a lot of packages, but I need to count how many packages if I install Notebook to compare with the situation when I install Jupyter. So how I compare them? So I need to output these lines or outputs into a plain text file. So what I do is use this command, sudo emerge -a notebook. Output, I just give a name, number of just notebook .txt because it's a plain text file, so I just give the name this, and then I just enter. Because as you can see, this command is going to ask you, would you like this question? So after you press the enter button, you need to give a no or n and enter again so that it gives you the file. I'm going to give you, as you can see, this file is here, the green one. If we want to see it, I'm going to use Vim to let you guys see it. Okay, so as you can see, all the outputs or the lines of packages are showing here. Okay, so that's all the packages you need to install in order to install the Jupyter Notebook. So next command, I need to compare it with the situation when I install Jupyter. I need to use the same command line, but I changed the notebook into Jupyter just like I did in my last video. I used this command line. This time the name should be the number of packages of Jupyter, and then enter, and then n, because it will ask you if you want to install it. So enter again. Alright, now if you want to see all the text, so as you can see, there are two text files in this directory. How do I compare it? So first I need to edit it. So I need to make it smaller, make the words smaller. So how I compare it? First I need to delete all the lines that are not related to the packages. First I'm going to edit Jupyter because it shows up first. So I need to delete. So the first line is an empty line, the second line this important line, and empty line, and this line, empty line calculating. So these lines are all not useful. I just delete them. So I'm using Vim, so I just D. Each line you press double D, delete one line. Empty. So now I need to keep this line because this line is showing the package I need to install. I'm going to use Shift G to go to the bottom because all the packages are showing in the middle. I don't need to delete anything. So I just need to delete a few lines, 4 lines at the bottom. So first line double D, double D, double D, double D, and then I use column WQ to save it. Now we can go inside again. So as you can see, all the lines are related to. I can make it smaller. Okay, so that you can see the whole situation. As you can see, all the lines are the packages, are the lines that is that is showing the packages. So I'm going to do the same to the number of notebook text, plain text file. The same thing, okay, go to the top and delete all the lines I don't need or that is not related to the packages. Go to the bottom, delete the 4 lines, and then save them. So now we need to compare them. Actually, we can do this at the same time when we were editing them. But in this video, I just want to show you the steps, step by step. So we go back to the number of Jupyter. Let's go to see the Jupyter. Use Shift G to go to the bottom. This is the bottom line, as you can see. This is the bottom line. You can see my cursor is here. Cursor is here, the little white block. I'm letting going left, going right, so that you can see. You can see at the bottom right corner, there are 2 numbers. So the first number is the number of rows. It says 116 rows. So that means in order to install Jupyter, I need to install 116 packages. Okay, 116. Let's go to that notebook one. We go to the bottom again. So as you can see at the bottom right corner, the number of rows number is 105. So it's 11 packages less than if the situation when we install Jupyter. So that's a minimal installation. So just to let you know, okay,